Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salan and today we are going to start our new tutorial, new playlist which is meant for those guys who have been struggling to build the logic. So this tutorial is based on building the logic. So many of you might be searching on internet how to build the logic, how to build the logic. On YouTube we are searching videos and how to build logic. So this playlist is meant for those guys that rather than searching that how to build the logic, we will be just literally starting to build the logic. So this is indeed a very good playlist I will be just creating, where we will be just implementing the coding logic, and we will be starting with a string first of all, then we will be covering many data types, and then we will be also creating some projects to build our logic. So let's start this tutorial, and if the question we will be having, and then we will be just solving this question, and we will be understanding the strings. And today's topic is string, and then we will be covering more question based on string, and in the further tutorial we will be just discussing more data types. So first, on day first, we'll be just having a simple question so that we have a clear understanding of a string. Then we will be increasing the bar like anything. So just before starting with this tutorial, guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So what we have to do, we have to create a function that takes a string as input and returns the reverse of that string. So what we have to do, it is already given as an example here, that we have to return the reverse of the string. So string is nothing. What is the string? If you do not have any idea what is string, let me tell you that string, it is a set of characters. So it is enclosed, it is enclosed by double quotes, double quotes, or single quotes. So what are double quotes, single quotes? This is a double quotes and this is a single quotes. And we can also write a string in like this also. So if you want to write a string, you can just put uh, three single quotes or three double quotes. You can write it in number lines. So we will be just discussing in the further tutorial if we get any question based on it. But the main understanding should be that the string is nothing, is a set of character which is enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. All right, so if we have a name, let's say Arsalan, so this is a string. If you say Arsalan 123, it is also a string. However, if you write 123, it is not a string. But if you just write this number enclosed by a quotes or double quotes, it is a string. So a string is nothing, it's just enclosed set of character which is enclosed by a double string or double quotes or single quotes. All right, so these are all example of strings. Now we have encountered a question which says that write a function that takes a string as input and returns the reverse of that string. So to reverse this string, if let's say if we have a variable here a is equals to hello. All right, so is equals to hello, and we have to just reverse the string. So how we will be doing it is we will be just returning it like this. Let's say a, and we will be indexing it, and to reverse this we will be doing it like this. And if I run this code, you will be seeing that we are getting OLLEH. So this is the value we are getting, and this is how we will be reversing. So how this works. So first of all, let's understand the indexing of the string. So indexing is nothing. Let's just understand the indexing. So this is what we have done. We have just indexing. We have done indexing. So first, let's say a print a. Let me just write it here, reverse string. And if I just put indexing something like this, and what is the first value, first so first step is the starting index. So in that starting index, let's say is 0, and starting index, and I want to print the value 0 till second index. So what I will be doing here is I want to print HEL only, HEL. So what I will be doing here is I will just putting 0, and then I will be just uh, writing the 0 index. So 0 is H. So I hope you guys know that how does indexing works. Indexing is start from 0. So this is first in 0, this is first index, this is second index, L is second index, and second L is third index, and O is fourth index. So how we will be approaching this? We will be just approaching it like this. Let's say we have 0, so it's starting from H, we want E, so we will be putting HE, so we will be just writing it like this. So if I run the code, you will be seeing that I will be getting HE, because see, if you want to index it, you have to put the value, and the value you want to put it like, let's say this is E, so its index is 1, and you want to print the E. To print the E is index 1, so we have to put it plus 1 index. All right, so if I want to print the value till HELL, so what I will be doing here is I will be saying that print me the value of A starting from 0 till where, till HELL. So the length, so I want to see till how where it is going. So it is going till O. So O index is 4, and L index is third, right? 0, 1, 2, and third. So what I will be printing, I will be, if I write 3 here, we will be getting HEL only, but I want HELL. You can see that we are getting HEL. So what we will be doing here is we will be just, instead of putting 3 here, we will be writing 4 here directly. So what I am getting, HELL. So this is how it works. But this is not the concept we have to study for this question. The concept we have to study is a reverse string. So first step is start, and second step is stop, and the third step is the direction. So let's say if I put negative here, you will be seeing that I will be getting a reverse order of this. So what it does is that it will be giving me a reverse order. So uh, this is how it works. So what I will be doing here is I will be creating a function reverse, and sorry, I have to write def here, def function here, and I will be taking a string. Let's say I have taken my string, and after this what I will be doing here is I will be applying the logic. So I will be saying that return me a value, my string, and I should be getting this value. And if I say a is equals to reverse, and put any value of let's say I put hello here and print a, I should be getting this value which was asked in the question. Let's run the code and check for an answer that we are getting HOLLEH. So this is what we should get. So if I put any other value, let's say if I put any other value, let's say I put Arsalan here, I should be getting a different value. It should be NALASRA. See, this is how we are getting. So to reverse this string, you can use it like this. So this is the starting position, this is the ending position, and last one is that what direction you want to move. You want to reverse order or you want the straight order. So this last argument is nothing, it's just telling that just reverse my string. So to get this in order of reverse, you can just do it like this, just write the name of the string, and then you can just what you can do here is you can just make sure that you put a double colon and put the minus one sign. So what does it do? So it does reverse the string. So this is how the approach will be, and how you will be getting the answer according to the question which was asked to reverse the string. So hope you have understood this concept, and hope you have just solved this question. You were able to solve this question on T1. It was an easy question. I think many of you have already figured this out. If you have a very if you think that this is a very easy question, so you just wait for a bit. We will be doing more difficult question in the upcoming tutorial. So this is just the starting video where I have just solved a very basic question. In the upcoming tutorial, we will be solving a more complicated questions, and then you can just see that how the uh, beauty of Python and string works. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.